What up guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to discuss everything about penny stocks. There's a lot of YouTube videos out there regarding penny stocks, and I just don't agree with any of them because they try to complicate everything. And you know guys, on this channel everything here is simplified, and the language that I use, even a kid can understand this, so I get the message across to everyone. So, penny stocks. How do we trade penny stocks? And if you're trading stocks as well, you should watch this video because the same rules apply in penny stocks and stocks. So a lot of people will tell you about technical indicators. They'll try to talk to you about charts and how to read candlesticks. I don't agree with that. You don't need to watch these basically videos where you have to look at the charts and do these lines and technical indicators because they really don't work. The only thing you need is news. A catalyst, something that will move a stock higher or lower. So that is why you have to keep your eye, basically keep sniffing the internet, look at articles every single day before stock market opens regarding a single stock. Find out what is happening to that stock today. Did a company acquire that company, that little stock? Did a huge company like Microsoft acquire LinkedIn? So if you had owned LinkedIn, you would be looking for the news that says Microsoft just acquired LinkedIn. LinkedIn's price is gonna, basically the stock is gonna spike in value. Another example, a pharmaceutical company basically releases a trial, like I mentioned to you before in several videos, and they come out with a successful trial and they say, okay, this came out positive. What's gonna happen? Investors are gonna have hope now in that company, and they're basically gonna jump in and purchase that stock, increasing the volume and increasing the price. So these are two examples of how to trade penny stocks. Real simple. All you need is a laptop. Find out what stocks are about to move on that single day, and find out the catalyst. If it's bad, you short the stock. If it's good news, you basically buy the stock. If you have pre-market trading, then that's going to be easier for you because you'll be there before everyone else. You'll be there before the hype. And then volume comes in and pushes you higher, and then you make your profit and you get out, sell. There's few brokers out there that you need to look at that do allow for pre-market trading and also leverage, and also allows for different nationalities to register with them. But most importantly guys, you need to have penny stocks available on that platform. The platform that I use is called Suretrader guys. Suretrader allows you for basically pre-market trading and aftermarket trading. Leverage also, so you can trade on margin and shorten penny stocks. Some penny stocks might have restrictions, but 6-to-1 leverage is good, and it allows for multinationals to kind of register with that company. So you can be from Canada, US, Europe, Ireland, India, Australia, and still be able to trade with Suretrader. It's based in the Bahamas, and I've made a video, basically a review, so go have a look. So once you set up your platform, now you'll need the capital. I don't want to go into deep details on how to get started because I think most people will figure that out. But I want to talk about how to trade penny stocks and kind of answer a few questions. 90% of people lose money, and that's true. 10% make money, and the reason behind that is because they know exactly what I'm talking about. They've already figured that out. And I'm not sure if any other YouTuber has told you what I'm telling you right now, but I'm hoping to be the first one to give you that news because most YouTubers try to sell you their content or their courses. Most penny stocks will fail. Even if they spike from 2 cents to $2 in a single day, they will go back down to $1 or 50 cents a week later because the spike is just temporary. For example, when a trial comes out, when a biopharmaceutical company releases a trial and it's a positive trial, basically it says that this drug is going to be developed now, but we haven't seen the drug developed. We want to see the drug being developed. So this is temporary. On the day, the stock will spike by $8, let's say. It's trading at $2, it will spike to $8. By the end of the day or the next day, it will pull back, and then it will keep pulling back until the drug is actually released. And that's just the nature of penny stocks. Look at nerve science, N-E-R-V. Here's a perfect example of a drug that was basically came out with a result in 2016 that said we have been basically positive with that drug testing and we should have a product. Look at the spike and look at it today. Look at the price today. Okay, so that is just an example for you guys to have a look and know that most penny stocks will basically go back down in value even after a spike. So most stocks will fail, so it makes it easier to short penny stocks than to buy penny stocks, because you know exactly what's going to happen. You know the outcome, and that's the truth behind penny stocks. So therefore, do not invest in penny stocks, but do trade penny stocks. We just want to make money. That's why we're in the market. So trade them only. Never ever invest in penny stocks unless this stock has some great fundamentals, guys, and you have inside information, or you believe that this stock is going to be the future. They have a product, revenue is coming in. Okay, that's the only way you're going to invest in a penny stock. My recommendation is trade penny stocks only. You only invest in stocks, high cap stocks, stocks that have something out there, a product, revenue, customers. That's what you invest in. Penny stocks at the moment is just an idea. Most penny stocks is just an idea. It's not a product. It's not a business yet. It's just an idea, and that's what you're investing in. You're investing in an idea. So that's all I want to say in this video, guys. That is the truth about penny stocks. You don't need candlesticks. You don't need technical indicators. The only thing you need is that single catalyst, that news. Look at the rest of the videos I have here where I teach you, basically, and give you tips and ideas, and also helpful links where you can basically trade penny stocks and assist you in your day trading. So that is me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave the like, the comment, and the subscription, and I'll see you again for another video just like always.